So LG French door refrigerator. Look what fell out the bottom of it. Some little tracking system. There's a screw. This screw is missing. So I picked up one at Ace Hardware. And I think I figured out where this goes. Saw a video online. It's basically in the freezer. I have to take out the two drawers. And this fits in there for the big drawer to roll on. It rolls on here, so hopefully it's a quick fix. For me to pull things out, this side will come out, but this side is bound on something. I'm supposed to be able to pull this out. There's the screw. Okay, you can see the hole. There's a hole here, a little protrusion. It goes in here. It just slides in there. And then on this side, there's some play, so we have room to push it in more. And then back it out to screw it like a 1/4 inch. That should be enough. Tighten this one down all the way. It rolls nicer. The thing may have been hanging in there for a while before it fell out. Alright, let's wipe it out and reassemble. Alright, have it cleaned out. It's screwed in, clean the bins out. See if I can get this back in correctly. Alright. ride's a lot nicer. Good to go. Finished. I thought I might need parts like the bar and the gear. I looked over at Part Select. You can see that bar in the middle, and then down on the left was the little gear. But on their website, they only listed the part to be able to purchase, which the bar, which is about $40. There's the manufacturer part number. When I went to the LG site, looked under the door parts, same diagram. There's the bar, and there's the gear. But on this site, they didn't list the bar as being able to be purchased. They only list the gear, which is about $12. Fortunately, I didn't need either one of them.